Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class, student. I am teaching you chapter number 23 and name of the chapter is Reaching Places, and today date is 10 December 2020. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video we have completed the book exercises of chapter number 23. After that we have completed the short question answer. Now in today's video, let's start with the long question answers of the chapter. Long question answers. So student, question number 1. What are the disadvantages of modern means of transport? What are the disadvantages of modern disadvantages of modern means of transport? So student, what happened due to the modern means of transportation? Variety of vehicles are moving on the road. And how these vehicles are moving? Because these vehicles run due to petrol or diesel. So student, due to the burning of this, lot of harmful gases are produced, and these harmful gases when get mixed up with the fresh air, so due to this the problem which is increasing day by day is known as air pollution, and lot of vehicles are moving on the road. Due to this there is lot of noise pollution is also due to this, and the pollutant given out gets suspended in the air which causes many diseases. बहुत लोगों को रेस्पिरेटरी से रिलेटेड बहुत सी डिजीजेज हो जाती हैं, बहुत लोगों को सांस लेने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है, ठीक है. An accident of a oil spill can be most harmful for marine life. So what is this? For example, cargo, I already explained you when I explained you about the water transport. So student, at that time I explained you that student, maximum trade is done by water transport. That is the reason water transport is very important. That is the reason water transport is very important for us. Is it clear? So, by chance, if there is an accident of the ship, so what happened? The oil, huge quantity of oil which is carried by these ships, if this oil get mixed with the water, so this is very harmful for the marine animals, those who are living in the sea and ocean, even they die also due to this. So that is the reason, student, these are the disadvantages of modern mean of transport. Note down the answer. The disadvantage of modern means of transport are, the disadvantage of modern means of transport are, first point, note down the first point, it causes air pollution, and noise pollution. This is due to, this is due to, how this is possible? This is possible due to burning of diesel and petrol. This is due to burning of petrol and diesel. Second point, the pollutants given out the pollutants given out get suspended in the air which causes many diseases. accident of an oil, okay, an accident an accident. So okay, note down these 2 points, note down the first 2 points, then third point I will rub the board and then I will write the third point. So student, you can take a screenshot, आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो बेटा. You can take a screenshot of this, note down these 2 points, and after that I will write one more point. Next point is an accident in the accident of an oil spill can be most harmful for marine life. Marine life means the animals which are living in the sea and oceans. So student, this is the complete answer. You can take a screenshot and after that you note down. Take a screenshot of this answer. Question number 2. What is question number 2? Why is water transport important? Why is water transport important? So why is water transport is important? So मैक्सिमम देखो बेटा, वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है कि जो भी मैक्सिमम ट्रेड होता है बिटवीन द कंट्रीज, ओके, जो भी ट्रेड हो रहा है बिटवीन द डिफरेंट कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, so how this trade is possible? This trade is possible due to water transport. That is the reason, student, water transport is very important. Okay, a huge quantity of good carried from one country to another due to water transport. And our country India has a long coastline of 6,000 kilometer. Is it clear? So note down the answer. Water transport is an important water transport is an important means of transport. Because note down the first point. It is the earliest mean is the earliest means of transport. It is the earliest mean of transport known to early human. And even I have already explained you that all the different countries, they are also discovery of the different countries. How this is possible? This is also possible due to the waterways. क्योंकि सारी कंट्रियों की जो खोज हुई है ना बेटा, क्योंकि देयर आर 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स एंड दीज कॉन्टिनेंट्स आर नॉट वेरी क्लोज टू ईच अदर. देयर इज अ they are very far away from each other. And how they are connected? They are connected through the waterways. For example, अर्ली ह्यूमंस ने क्या बनाए थे? राफ्ट एंड बोट्स. Point number 2. Later bigger ship were used to carry heavy goods to other countries. Okay, in the beginning early human being use the water transport method is raft, and at that time there are boats. But now if we are talking about the present time, then there are huge cargo ships to carry huge quantity of goods from one country to another. Note down these 2 points. You can also take a screenshot also. आप screenshot भी ले सकते हो. Point number 1 second, and then point number Point number third. Point number 3. 2 points we have already written. There is one more point. Note down. Today most of the world most of the world's trade. This point I have already explained you. जितना भी trade हो रहा है, that is due to what? That is due to waterways. Today most of the world trade is conducted through oceans and sea routes. Is it clear? And this is also the reason why the peoples are making canals to short the distance, between the two countries. Is it clear? So this is also the reason. Okay, so this question having 3 points. You can take a screenshot also. Now question number 3. How is the mean of transport brought the world close? Question 3. How has the mean of transport brought the world close? Transport are the way to overcome the barriers of physical distance. Okay. So now the question is, how has the mean of transport brought the world close? Now see student, when we are talking about the different means of transport, so we have 3 means of transportation, that is land, air transport and water transport. So with these modern means of a transport, it is possible that we can go in any part of our country also, or in any part of the world also. So these means of these transport has proved that whether lot of distance between the countries, but due to these means of transport we can move to any part of our country also, or to the other countries. जो एक डिस्टेंस था कभी ओल्ड टाइम में, कंट्रीज के बीच में इतना ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस था, तो इन मीन ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट ने उन डिस्टेंस को क्या कम कर दिया, क्योंकि आज इतने फास्टेस्ट मीन ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट हैं कि ड्यू टू विच इन वेरी लेस टाइम वी कैन कवर अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस। ठीक है, बहुत कम समय में लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस आप कवर कर सकते हैं। इज इट क्लियर? नोट डाउन द आंसर। ट्रांसपोर्ट are the way to overcome the various of physical distance. It is an effective way to connect the people. To connect the people with no regards to the distance. To the distance that separate them. Transport generally help the people and goods move from one place to another within within so student, note down, this is not a complete answer. You can take a screenshot of this answer So can we can say that transport brought the world close. So student, thank you. Note down the answer, or you can take a screenshot also. Thank you student.